What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at some phone case options for the iPhone 13, specifically the iPhone 13 Pro. We got 4 different cases from the company Torras. They sent these over for me to check out, and these are really cool because they give you that minimalist design. So you're able to have that protection for your phone, but it doesn't take away from the appearance of the phone, and it doesn't make them overly bulky. So you can still easily fit them in and out of your pocket. It doesn't make them, super heavy and cumbersome. You're able to handle them like you normally would without the case. So let's go ahead and take a look, starting off with the clear case. So with all of these, they're extremely easy to pop on and off. So even if you wanted to buy multiple cases and kind of switch them out from time to time, you can do that very easily. With this one, it's see-through, so whatever color phone you go with, you can still maintain that color and that appearance that you want. It's super sleek, super slim fit. And this one in particular is made out of flexible silicone, and all of the cases are shock proof. So if you happen to drop your phone while it's in the case is going to do a great job at absorbing the impact. On the back of the case, you have this raised bezel, and that's going to help protect your camera lenses. So that's going to keep them from getting scratched or damaged. Next up, we have the translucent matte case. So you can see this one is giving you silicone edges, which is going to be awesome for drop protection. And then you also have a see-through back. So if you're concerned with being able to see the Apple logo, this one has you covered. So you can flex on all your friends, show them your new iPhone. You also have that raised camera bezel. Again, that's going to help keep your lenses protected. After that, we have the navy blue slim fit case. And I think this is the thinnest case out of all of them. So if you want protection for your phone, but you don't want to feel like you have a case on the phone, this is going to be the way to go. The case is very comfortable. It's super easy to grip. But one thing to keep in mind on this one, it's not see-through on the back. So if you're wanting to see that Apple logo, this one's not going to let you do that. So that's just something to keep in mind. Again, on the back, you're getting that camera bezel. Make sure you keep those lenses nice and protected. Make sure all your photos are coming out nice and crispy so you can stay looking fly on Instagram. And like I said, this one's just the minimalist out of all of them. So if you want a super slim fit case to make it feel like you don't really have a case on the phone, this is the one you want to choose. And then last but not least, we have the Moon Climber case. And this is my personal favorite because it has this built-in kickstand on the back. So if you want to set your phone down on your desk, if you're watching a video, or if you're recording using the front-facing camera, you can do that with no problem. And the kickstand is super sturdy, it's super durable. It doesn't feel like a cheap gimmick that's going to break after a couple uses. It's very well constructed, it's very rigid, you can feel it really lock into place. And again, this is my favorite case. This is giving you that see-through back so you can see the Apple logo just like the other case that we saw. And this case is still maintaining that slim profile, even though it has that built-in kickstand on the back. And again, it is wireless charging compatible as well as MagSafe compatible. So there you have it. That is the iPhone 13 Pro case lineup from Torras. Their tagline here is simple but unique. I think that sums up their cases perfectly. So I will put the links down in the description for each of these cases in case you're interested in grabbing one. Also, if you follow me on Instagram and drop a comment on this video expressing interest, I'm gonna give these away because I'm an Android user, so these don't really apply to me. So if you're interested, man, follow me on Instagram, drop a comment, and I will pick 4 people and send out these cases ASAP. But aside from that, that's gonna be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. And aside from that, I'll see you guys in the next one.